invite the minister, the honorable minister, and the chief of Ashama to unveil this plan to the people of Ghana.
The Accra Tema Motorway is an integral part of the national route linking the eastern corridor from Aflao to the western through Elubo at the border with Côte d'Ivoire. The 7.32-lane dual-carriage concrete surfacing with 2 meters width bituminous surfaced dressed shoulders was a vision of Ghana's first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. The motorway is one of the busiest in the country, seeing users from all walks of life. The Tema Motorway Roundabout currently suffers from serious traffic bottlenecks which impede the movement of private and commercial vehicles within Tema and affect intercity commuters who use the roundabout when commuting to and from the Greater Accra region as well as the Eastern and Volta regions. This congestion also hinders the flow of cargo in and out of the port.
The ports discharge their cargo onto the road system. And it has been our concern that if the port expansion to proceed under the current road traffic system, that will be too bad. With the over 14 million or 15, 16 million metric tons that we discharge into the country, all of that, almost 99% is carried by roads. It means if we do not do something until such time that the rail line system is effective, there will be serious congestion on the road.
The project comes at such a time when the government is putting necessary structures in place to expand the Tema Harbour.
From these interventions, which have direct influence on the movement of goods and persons on the Accra Tema Motorway, there are other projects ongoing and planned which will further improve movement within the corridor and adjoining settlements like the East Legon Ajiringano and Spintex Road, the flower port areas, and many more. Indeed, you can talk about the Burma Camp to Flower Port Road, which is ongoing, the Teshil Link Road, which is under construction, the construction of slip roads in and out from the motorway to access the Flower Port Junction, which is also ongoing, the planned construction of a bridge over the motorway to take traffic from the Flower Port area into East Legon, and the planned construction of a bridge over the motorway from the end of the Teshil Link into Ajiringano. So we're looking at a comprehensive development of the areas surrounding the motorway in order to improve upon traffic flow.
The challenge on the Accra Tema Motorway, however, are busy intersections, one which is the Tema Roundabout.
There is trucks and cranes and earth-moving equipment parked on the roadside. So basically the footprint of the expansion doesn't touch on anybody's property. And we are building within the right-of-way of Ghana Highway Authority.
Government says, as part of developing the corridor in phases, the Tema Motorway Roundabout will be replaced with a fully functional 3-tier interchange with support from the Japanese government. The project is estimated at 28 million Ghana cedis.